Hi, welcome back friends. So now in this video we are going to work with the change password section, and in this section we will cover the change password. How can we change password, and in this video we are going to start to write the code for the change password. So here in this file changepassword.php you can see the 4 steps we will follow in this section. And in the first step you can see here, when user click on the update password button, then we get out values from the user into PHP variables. And in the second steps you can see here, using of select query we will get out database records according to user email. Okay, then in the third step we will compare the user input values to database values. Means from the first step we will get out the value from the user, and using of the second step we will get out the values from the database. So both first value for the user and the second value from the database we will compare in the third step. If the values is if the value will match, then we will run the update query for change password. So there are the simple ways to update the change password. Okay, so now let's write code for our first step. Simply here I am going to use if condition, and inside the if condition simply I use a set method. I will check it is set or not. And I will just use the simple here post method, then $_ post. Okay, and simple inside this I will pass name attribute of the button. Okay, I am checking here our button is set or not, so we need to use the button add name attribute here. So simple here we have button, but here we have not wrote the name attribute, so let's write simple name and give here btn update. And now let's copy this, and just like this we need to give name attribute for our inputs. So here you can see our old password, so give here name attribute. So I'm going to give here for the first field of the password is txt _ old password. Okay, and just like for the new password, give txt _ new password. And for the third field I am going to give name attribute here txt _ r for retype new password. Okay, so save our file and let's go just above the code. And in the first step you can see here in the if condition I can pass my button attribute, button name attribute. So let's paste okay, sorry, remove this first. So give here btn update our button name attribute, and just open and close our if condition. And just inside I will create a new variable. First variable I will create old password _txt. So the code is completed now, and for the first step, and let's check it's working or not, then I will explain what I have done here. So let's save our file and open our browser. So refresh our page, change password, and let's check it is working or not. First I'm going to fill 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 8 9 10 11 12, and then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and let's click on update password. Okay, you can see here txt old password is equal to that, and then txt new password is equal to that, and txt _ r new password means repeat new password is equal to that. Okay, and so the default method for the form is get. So here we need to give in our form the post method. So you can see here our form, and here I need to give a first action will be empty, then I need to give method here, and method will be type of post. Okay, and now save our file, and let's go back on our page and remove this, refresh our page, and again give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then 8 9 1 2 3 4 8 9 8 9 8 9. Okay, some random text here I just given here. Okay, now let's click on update password button. Perfect. Now let's see, you can see here the echo. Okay, it's echo R input text from the text field, you can see here. Okay, so this was the first step. So simply what I have done here, simply for here I just use if condition, and I set I just check the button is set or not, and I just set the button, and I just create here a variable, 3 variables, $old password underscore txt, $new password underscore txt, and $r new password. R is repeat new password underscore txt. Okay, and using of post method I just get out the values from the text field by using of name attribute of the text fields. Okay, these are the name attribute of the text fields. So using of post method I just store the values of the text field in this variables. Okay, and I just echo here this variables value for checking purpose. Okay, so now let's go for the second step, and we will continue write code for the second step in next video. So I hope you got this what I have done here. Let me show you. Simply you can see here the name attribute, txt old password, txt new password, and txt repeat new password, and you can see the button attribute of the button btn update. So simple code I just wrote here in this video. I hope you got this. If you have any problem you can ask me the question, and we will continue the second step in next video. So see you in next video.